Oatmeal raisin cookies are one of the most comforting treats out there, and that deliciousness has been captured in this oatmeal raisin granola. You control the ingredients so you can have a healthy snack for you or the kids ready to go. Beware though, it's so delicious with the touches of cinnamon and vanilla, you may want it all for yourself. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, it's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, add your 3 cups of oats, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a stir to incorporate. Melt a 1/4 cup of refined organic coconut oil and add it to a small bowl. Along with a 1/4 cup of honey, I used cinnamon honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the oil mixture to the oat mixture and use clean hands to get in there and coat the oats completely. It'll get sticky, but that's half the fun, and perfect for the kiddos to get involved. Add 1 cup of raisins, and 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts to the oats, and give it a stir, making sure to break up any lumps of raisins that might be hiding. Pour the mixture out on a lined cookie sheet and spread evenly. Place in the oven for 10 minutes, then use a spatula to flip or move the granola around, and place it back in the oven for 10 to 15 more minutes until light golden brown. Allow to cool for 30 minutes before transferring to snack bags for 8 to 10 portions. Oatmeal Raisin Granola gives you the comfort you crave with a good-for-you snack. All of the flavors of oatmeal raisin cookies are there, but with an addicting crunch. Sure, there are bags of granola at the store, but you know what's in this and when it was made. Plus, it's super easy to do. The flavor combos are endless. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos for you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.